All right, so we're on page 20, which is 1.7, reading and writing equations. So here we've been talking up until now about expressions. And expressions are like an algebraic expression is a number sentence that includes a variable. So that's one letter. Sometimes it includes more than one letter. It also has a coefficient attached to the letter and a constant on the side. Now we're talking about equations, which are super similar to expressions, except that they have an equal sign in them. Equations equal, okay? So this means that both sides of the equal sign have to be equal. Like, that's why it's an equal sign. It has to have an equal value on the one side of the equal sign to the other side. Most of the time, for right now, on one side the equal sign, it's going to be a single digit, okay? So you're not going to have to figure out your value on both sides, but we have figured on one side to make sure that we have an equal amount, right? So if you look on page 20, it says here 2x plus 1 is an algebraic expression, 7 is an expression, but 2x plus 1 equals 7 is an equation. So as soon as you put an equal sign in there, it turns into an equation, not an expression. See the difference? Okay? So this equation can also be expressed in words, which we're going to practice today. 1 more than double a number is 7. We've already practiced saying expressions in words, but now we're adding the words is 7, which means that there is an equal sign in there. Okay? So here's how to write an equation from a statement. So again, I'm just reading on page 20. It says choose a letter for the variable, which we've done before. Write an algebraic expression representing the relationship described. And then an equal sign when they say the word is. So we're going to practice this and match some of these up. A lot of this is going to be a repeat because we've done it with expressions. We're just adding the word is and then a number to show an equal sign. So here, a number divided by 3 is 4. Okay, so we're looking at this one right over here. So you can draw a line from a number divided by 3 is 4 because this is a number divided by 3, and then when it says is 4, it equals 4. Okay, so just like when we were talking about large numbers early in the year, and I said that when you say the word and, it represents a decimal. Now when we say the word is, it represents an equal sign. Okay, and it already has here 20 subtract a number equals 6. So 20 subtract a number is 6. Sometimes it says equals and sometimes it says is. Same thing. Okay. 9 subtract 1/2 a number is 6. 1/2 a number means you're dividing it by 2. Okay, and down here is 9 subtract 1/2 a number is 6. Okay, just think is when you're talking about the equal sign. Okay, and then 3 added to double a number is 11. 3 added to double a number is 11. This means double. Okay? This is half. Because you're cutting it in half. You're dividing it by 2. Here you're doubling it because you're multiplying it by 2. Okay? Okay, so we're looking at equations today that have equal signs. On the next page, we're putting an equation in words into numbers. Okay, and we're looking at sometimes figuring it out as well when you're giving us the value of the variable. Okay, sounds good. So you're working on page 20 and 21.